substitute some barbecue mix. Pour it in there. Cover it. Garlic, salt, pepper. Star anise, chipotle. And just for an extra dash of flavor, we're gonna go with 1 orange. We're gonna cover this nice and tightly. This set on medium-low, and we leave it for 6 hours. As you can see, we have been waiting for about 6 hours now, and this should be perfectly cooked. Go ahead and take this out carefully with this so we don't tear it apart. Hot, hot, careful. Go and place it right on here. Ideally, this bone should slide right off. Couldn't have been better. Now this is very, very hot. We are gonna shred it just like this. Now that we have shredded this, we will momentarily place it back in its juices. Let it soak, let it absorb all the flavors. Take our potato, place this right over the tortilla. Grab our potatoes that we have previously sliced. Now we're just gonna keep on placing these potatoes in there. Last piece. Place them in here closely. Grab yourself a little olive oil, spread it out in there, make sure it gets inside, and off to the freezer. Let this freeze. Back from the freezer, we are going to carefully place this in hot oil. Carefully, we will grab on and pull it out. All right, so now this over here, take a big old heap, drain it just a little bit, okay? And now we build this. We're gonna keep on building this all the way. Make sure there is enough to go around for everyone, okay? Make sure you get a little salt on all your potatoes. Get some nice parsley on there. We're also gonna add scoops of sour cream and a bit of guacamole. So we add our last little scoop. As you can see, I have added some tomatoes, fresh tomatoes, and some scallions. Now it's time to give it a shot. Nice. Get a little bit of this, a little bit of that. Do not forget the pork. That is delicious.